Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this body butter. Okay, these spice jars from Asda are perfect, they look great and don't break the bank. Now, every recipe I found online uses cups. Personally I prefer to use grams, and I know a lot of other people do too, so let's just use this scale to convert it. You can see the amounts on screen, but I'll also put the recipe in the description below. Or down there, why not just subscribe? I only use coconut oil, olive oil and cocoa butter for this recipe, so it's super simple. Once it's all weighed out, you can melt it together in a saucepan, or if you're impatient like me, use a microwave. I put it in this plastic container and heated it until it was completely melted with no lumps. So now you have your melted oil mixture, you can put it in the fridge overnight, or if you're impatient like me, in the freezer for 20 minutes. Remove it once it's slightly hardened. I left mine too long and it was a bit too solid. Break it up into chunks and hand mix it. Or again, if you're impatient like me, throw it in a mixer. My mix was still too cold, so it did stick to the bowl and had to be scraped off occasionally, but eventually it whipped up and looked pretty good. Then you can pipe it into jars, or if you're impatient like me, just spoon it in. Looking back, I do wish I would have piped it, as the final result would have looked so much better, and spooning it wasn't particularly quick or easy. The final product feels really moisturising, but perhaps a little greasy for some tastes. I'll definitely be trying out more recipes in future. Why not stay a while and check out another video?